Okay, so you have one coin, one rupee you have. Okay, you have 1 rupee. I have more than 1 rupee. You can see? See? I have more than 1.
Oh yeah.
Now,
And if I take this, I get
1
nothing.
is even or odd?
One is, I don't know. One is even and odd. It's a God number. So let's say it is odd.
If I mix my number, the coins that I have, you have 1, I have many more coins. If I mix my coins with you, and if they become even, then I will keep this one. If they become odd, you take my money.
What's this going on?
Whatever I have in my hand, I will add this to your coin. If the resulting number is even, I keep the money. If it is odd, you keep the money. You take the money. You take my money. If it is even, I will take your money.
Okay.
If it is even,
Even.
if it is even, you want to take or you want to give? You tell me.
Even.
I am giving you a chance.
Huh?
If the resulting number is even, you want to take my money or you want to take my money when the resulting number is odd. I am giving you all the options now. Free.
और में जब होगा तब मैं आपको अपना दूँ.
Oh, so odd is if it is odd, you give to me. फिर then ये PS का हो जाएगा. If it is even, then ये SS का हो जाएगा. It is okay?
सरफी स्वरूप और बहुत.
So this is the deal.
Yeah,
So I will add my money to your money, and if it is odd, I take your money. If it is even, you take my money. So look how much money I have.
guys, as you can see there.
I have much. And how much money he has? He is bringing to table only 1. But still he is going to lose.
What?
Your money is gone.
Mix.
Even अगर होगा तो किसको odd होगा तो किसको दोगे? मेरे को. Okay? Odd होगा तो नहीं. Discount! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Odd. I take the money.
और अगर मैं इवन को बीएस बना दूं तो
कर लो तुम्हारा.
फिर चेक करते हैं क्या होता है. चल
Even पे BS
इवन पे बीएस.
और odd पे SS. Okay, let us play this game.
Sunny.
So you want to take your one.
No. This is my one or two? I have one. Okay.
Now the rules of the game have changed.
What?
If the result is even, I take his money. If the result is odd, he takes my money. I have so much. He has only 1.
Wow.
He has everything to gain. I have everything to lose. But I am sure I am gonna win. He is gonna lose.
How?
Even होगा तो मेरे को देगा ना. आ जाओ फिर रंग में.
And I like it. When you what are you doing here? Did you add something or did you start?
देख लो. 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 5, 5, 10 और
अबे ऐसे नहीं करना. अबे ऐसे नहीं करना भाई.
12 dirhams. I take this.
अबे
Because
ऐसे
it is
डबल नहीं
even.
करना. डबल नहीं करना.
What double? It is even 12.
Give me one time. I will do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Look, 2, 4, 6, 7, 5, 12, even.
Even now you have my
I take money, I win. You want to play again? You want to play
What is this
even
game?
and odd?
What is this
So
game?
odd you want to give me?
Yes.
Okay. If it is odd, I take. If it is even, you take. Okay?
Hey.
पुलिस आ गई ना, हमें पकड़ ली, जुआ खेल रहे दोनों, पकड़ के जेल में डाल देगी। ओके चलो देखो भाई, I have so much money, but he has only one. He has nothing to lose. I have everything to lose, but he is going to lose. 100% he will lose. See, now he says if the total is even, he takes the money. If it is on, I take the money. चलो यार,
Here it is.
और मैं लेके जाऊंगा,
Okay.
इवन में आप लेके जाओ। 1 2 3 4 5 और all 5 marks.
That's funny.
Okay, you want to change it? Odd में आप लोगे, odd में आप लोगे ना, और even में मैं लूँगा। Okay? चलो, here is your 1 dirham again.
Okay.
चलो, even में मैं लेके जाऊँगा, odd में आप रखो 1.
देख लिया.
This time again I'm gonna do. Odd है even है.
1.
Oh, रुकिए. 2 4 6 और 7 और 5 12 is even number.
It is funny. How do you feel?
Every time I am going to win because of my stupid mind. I am playing a huge trick here.
What?
जब मेरी मर्जी होती है तब मैं कॉइन गिनता हूँ। जब मुझे प्रॉफिट होने वाला होता है तब मैं कॉइन गिनता हूँ। 1 2 3 4 5 और मेरे हो गए। और जब मैं कहता हूँ कि जब मैं इवन में जीतूंगा, अभी ऑड है, जब इवन में जीतना होता है तब मैं इनकी वैल्यू काउंट करता हूँ। 2 5 2 4 4 और 6 और 1 7 और 5 12 इवन हो गया मेरे को। Same coins are even and same coins are odd. The number of coins are odd 1 2 3 4 5. तो जब odd में मेरा प्रॉफिट होता है तो मैं कहता हूँ ये odd है। जब even आप कहते हो इसको चेंज कर लो, even में मुझे दोगे, even में मुझे दे दो। मैंने यहाँ लिख दिया even में आप मुझे दोगे, even में दोगे तो यही सारे कॉइन टेबल पे होते हैं। बट even में मैं कैसे काउंट करता हूँ? 2 3 value now, not count, value 2 plus 1 3 4 5 6 7 plus 5 11 odd मेरे।
Now I get it.
जब वैल्यू काउंट करनी तो 2 2 4 4 2 6 6 1 7 और 5 12 कितने हो गए? इवन आ गया। अब नंबर काउंट करो 1 2 3 4 5 ऑड है। तो जब मेरे को ऑड चाहिए होता है तो मैं काउंट करके ले लेता हूँ। जब मुझे इवन में जीतना होता है तो मैं 1 2 3 4 इनकी वैल्यू काउंट करके ले लेता हूँ। तो ऑड
That's fascinating.
या तो काउंट या वैल्यू, दोनों में जो मुझे सूट करता है वो उस हिसाब से मैं ले लेता हूँ।
Oh, I see here. I can shoot another coin front.
So this is the trick. Okay, bye.
Bye.
So this is how I am making fool of him, and I could successfully make fool of him because I knew about this trick before, and I have not told him anything.
That's fun.
कैसा लगा ये वाला?
It's good.